Morning, everyone. So I'm Joey. I lead marketing for JobStreet, guys. So here I'm going to talk about basically what we can offer SMEs and micro SMEs as well, on how you can start scaling your business with your first hire. So that's very, very important. So a lot of us here actually are entrepreneurs, tayo pa lang yung employee, no? So I've talked to a few entrepreneurs here. But now I'll be talking about like what the possible next steps can be. Okay, so you can see all over plastered, no, na SMEZ hiring starts here. No? Find the right people and grow your business. Okay, so as Director Akar mentioned a while ago, and also in the keynote mentioned by our MD Dan as well, and Mr. Sanagostino, SMEs and MSMEs are actually the backbone of the Philippine economy. So why is that? How can we come into that conclusion? So 99.5% of businesses are actually micro, small, or medium enterprises. No? So that number, no? So we are part of that group. No? So the participants here are part of that group. No? So as you can see, only 0.5% of businesses are actually large businesses. No? The rest, majority, are micro, small, and medium enterprises. No? So what this actually represents is the majority of all businesses. No? And because of that, 6 out of 10 jobs are actually provided by micro, small, and medium enterprises. No? So that is actually a very big number. No? So more than majority of the jobs in the Philippines are actually provided by businesses like you. So MSMEs are ready to grow. No? So according to a study by BCG and according to the DTI survey in the past 2 years, 72% actually want to expand their workforce. No? And 82% actually want to upskill their workforce. No? So 73% expected stronger results this year. No? So the year is about to close, and we'll see more about this once the reports come out after year end. So these numbers mainly state the fact that there is actually a need for expansion, no, for small businesses and small enterprises. No? However small maybe be at this point in time, there will come to a point wherein we would be needing to expand. No? Marami sa mga SMEs natin, no? Wearing multiple hats, no? Like what na-mention kanina, no? Finance na tayo, HR na tayo. No? So eventually, kailangan natin i-replicate ang ating mga sarili para umandar at mag-scale or musbong ang ating negosyo. So meron daw 3 barriers, no, that hinder us from growth. No? Most SMEs, MSMEs experience this. No? According to the same survey of DTI last year, no? So the 3 main barriers that hinder us from growing is, unang-una, talent crisis, no? Pangalawa, rising operating costs. So I see some nods from the crowd, no? Kasi I think it is very evident that operating costs keep rising and rising year on year. And of course, limited access to financing. So we have a lot of financing partners here in the crowd, doing their exhibits. No? So you may be able to actually talk to them later on, no, during our networking breaks. So as you can see, the 3 main things that all of you are thinking about every day can be summarized into una, tao. Pangalawa, cost, no? And pangatlo, which is similar to number 2, mga monetary issues, no? So pera, financing. No? So we will try to address those key things throughout the day today. Okay? So what do SMEs need to grow down? No? So sa same survey ng DTI, they ask, ano ba ang kailangan ninyo? Ano ba kailangan ng mga MSMEs, no? Para mag-scale, para lumaki ang business, para maging successful, no? So, as you can see, access to financing, isa siya sa mga biggest factors, no? Again, kailangan ng capital and pondo pang maikot. Number 2 is access to market, no? Access to market meaning kailangan ng lugar, ng marketing. So that's why SM is actually providing the MSME program as well, wherein small enterprises are able to get an access to the foot traffic that they offer. No? So in our malls, in the SM malls, you can see like small businesses actually showcasing their food products, their small enterprises. No? So that is how they support MSMEs. Access to tools, of course, tools per se, no? So there are a lot of tools that MSMEs use, no? So it can be for hiring, similar to us, JobStreet. It can be for marketing, and it can be for many things. And of course, a lot of MSMEs, no? That's why Director Acker was here a while ago as well. They always say they need government support. No? Government support is really why the DTI actually exists. No? So, as the director mentioned a while ago, the government actually has a lot of programs, no? A plethora of programs that he mentioned na nakakatulong sa pagpapausbong ng ating mga startup and small medium enterprises. And ang pinakamalaki actually is, again, that's why we are here today also holding this event, is ang pinakakailangan daw ng SMEs and MSMEs are actually access to labor, manpower. They need a lot of help and actually doing the work for them. Okay? So we can actually say that hiring is as critical as finance. No? Kasing importante niya yung paghanap ng pondo para tumakbo yung negosyo, and at the same time, kasing importante rin niya yung access to markets, no? Similar na pinaprovide ni SM sa MSME program nila. So meaning, it's as important as the market itself, it's as important as financing itself. Okay. So now, paano ba nag-hire ang MSMEs? No? Maaring lahat dito, or majority of the small businesses here, no, actually hire through different channels, no. Sino ba dito ang nag-hire through social media sa mga MSMEs? Ayan. So, a few ones. Referrals. Referrals din, no? Kasi actually, small businesses thrive through referrals, no? Like, especially community businesses as well. So, because of that habit, no? Because of what small businesses are used to, only 53% say that their staff have the right skills, no? Kasi if you look at referrals or you look at social media, no, the pool is actually quite small, no? Hindi nakakast yung malaking net, no, para makuha yung tamang tao or tamang talent or tamang job seeker para sa inyong mga negosyo. So 54% believe talent in market meet their needs. So almost kalahati lang yung naniniwala na yung mga pinagkukuhanan nila ay enough para dun sa pangangailangan nila sa negosyo. Okay? So hiring is still mostly formal. No? So 11% lang actually nagpo-post ng job ads, no? Sa mga job portals katulad ng JobStreet. No? So what does that say? No? For MSMEs, mostly informal hiring goes through channels that are unmoderated, katulad ng social media, and at the same time, with a limited source as well. So, marami sa atin naka-experience na nito, no? Social media job scams are on the rise, no? So, I am sure every day may nakukuha kayong mga message, no? Nagsasabi na trabaho, become a Temu liker, become a e-commerce reviewer, no? Those types of things, no? Maraming nagkaalat sa social media, even sa SMS, sa Viber, sa WhatsApp, sa Telegram. Every day may makukuha po tayong mga messages na nag-aalok sa atin ng mga trabaho na maaaring makapahabak pa sa atin. Meaning, hindi siya totoo. Maraming nasa scam, dito po nakukuha yung mga phishing, no? So that is why we highly discourage posting in informal channels, no? It also gives a good brand to your small business, no? Even though you are a small business, you should be posting in the proper place, no? That's why we're actually holding this summit today. Okay? So fake job ads actually hurt real businesses, no? So as you can see, no, there are a lot of malicious people that are actually taking advantage of job seekers. No? So there are a lot of job seekers in the market looking for work. No? And at the same time, these scammers, no, nafifish pa yung information nila, nagagamit pa yung mga pangalan ng mga negosyo. No? So as you can see, like the big conglomerates, no, such as SM, no? So these are actual posts that you're seeing na, oh, huwag kayo maniwala dun sa mga job site na yun. No? So as we learn to be businesses, no, we should practice already the formality of using proper channels of whatever we do. So, yun yung key thing that we want to encourage everyone to do right now. Okay, so the biggest challenge today is finding the right match para sa negosyo. So, when we say right match, no, tamang tao. No? Paano ba masasabi na isang tao ay tamang tao para sa negosyo? Dapat ba kapareho nyo ng skills? Dapat ba kaugali nyo sa small entrepreneur, no? Kayo lang yung makapagsabi nun. So, hindi siya one size fits all. Na ang tamang tao ay si ganito, si ganyan. Iba-iba ang bawat pangangailangan ng bawat negosyo. So, kayo ang makapagsabi kung ano yung tamang tao or right match or right job seeker capacity. Wearing many hats, the life of an SME owner. So, ulit-ulit natin sasabihin to ngayong araw. Nakikita ko na marami dito wearing multiple hats. No? So, having these conversations, pumunta kayo dito to learn these things. No? Wearing multiple hats meaning, ako si finance, no? Ako yung humahanap ng pondo para sa business. Ako yung nagbabayad ng payroll. Ako rin si customer service. So ako yung sumasagot ng mga inquiries sa food business, deliveries, etc. Sa akin din. Sales and marketing sa akin din. Ako gumagawa ng promo as a business owner. Ako rin ang gumagawa ng packaging. Ako rin ang gumagawa ng TikTok videos. Ako rin gumagawa ng strategy para maibenta ang aking produkto. Administrative things, of course, there are a lot of things. Compliance with government regulations. Business renewal season is coming up soon, no? So alam yan ang ating mga business owners, no? Come January 1, kailangan na naman gawin pagdaanan yung pagre-rehistro ng negosyo, the new one. And of course, hiring and managing existing employees. No? So, yung mga current employees na kayo na kailangan pakisamahan, kailangan pakitulungan, kailangan pasweldohin, yun ay parte ng ating negosyo. So, very, very complex. We operate very differently. A small business operates very differently compared to an enterprise, no? Or compared to a conglomerate, or compared to a very big organization. So MSMEs believe digital tools help them grow. So 77% of you guys actually say that you want to increase digital use, no? 72% say digital tools positively impacts business. However, 20% lang ang increased usage last year. No? And in this year, we'll probably have the run rate. Bakit ganun? No? There is high optimism but low adoption in terms of leveraging digital tools. No? Bakit? Kasi why MSMEs are not maximizing digital tools? Okay? So my business is not big enough yet. Yan yung unang laging sinasabi sa survey. 74% actually say that my business is not big enough yet. Number two, I don't have the right technical expertise. Yan ba? So, I don't know how to use Jobstream. or I don't know how to use TikTok ads. No? So there are a lot of tools that we want to learn how to use. No? Okay? And I don't know enough about the options. Madalas kasi, being small entrepreneurs, no, small businesses, maaari po tayong hindi aware sa mga different options that we have in the market. No? Whether we're doing payroll, we're doing hiring, we're doing marketing. No? So there are a lot of things that are actually out there. Kasi, again, going back to my previous point na masyado tayong busy sa pagmamanage ng maraming bagay, kaya hindi na natin nabibisita ang mga available na digital tools para sa atin. That's why we're here today, and our partners are actually here. A lot of us are digital businesses aim to support MSMEs, so feel free to approach them all there. Okay? Hiring should be simple, no? So, let me play. SMEC is a job seat. So this is actually our tagline of this event, no? And of all the videos that you were going to be seeing. No? So we're trying to make hiring very easy for everyone, for every SME, for every business owner, for every entrepreneur. So I'm taking a step back to introduce us to you MSMEs. No? For the longest time, we have been a business that actually dealt with big conglomerates and big enterprises. So, but what we really aim for is to have a job for every Filipino. That is our ultimate mission here in the Philippines. And kung makikita nyo kanina, 6 out of 10 jobs are provided for by you guys, no? By MSMEs. No? And because of that mission, we are now providing a platform. No? So we want to connect MSMEs with the right people for growing business, making hiring simple, safe, and point number 3, free. Okay, so you know, I see some nuts. No? So very important with SMEs are utilizing free digital tools. No? And JobStreet is actually one that you can use and utilize for free. No? If you need some help with that, our booth is over there. No? So, what do we really do? No? So, we are the Philippines' #1 talent platform. No? As Director Akar of the DTI said a while ago, we have been in business for more than 20 years. No? So, more than 2 decades in the business. So, we are the #1 talent platform by reach. No? So, again, kanina, isa sa mga problema natin, no, according to survey, nag-survey ng SMEs with entrepreneurs, ang pinaka-problema natin is access to talent. No? Paano ba tayo makikita ng potential job seekers? No? So we are providing for that. No? So we have over 13 million profiles, and we have actually over 77,000 businesses that are in the platform, and we have over 12 million site visits every month. So meaning, ganun karami yung active na naghahanap ng trabaho sa JobStreet. Okay? So we were born in the .com era and built for the AI age. No? So as you can see, in 1999, ito yung lumang logo namin, no? The yellow one that you might be really familiar of. During the .com boom, we became one of the first tech platforms, no? Modernizing a lot of things. No? I remember in the late 90s and the early 2000s, we had a tech boom. No? So, from Diario, no? From the newspaper na classified ads, mag-place ka ng ads sa Diario, it's actually quite expensive. No? Hindi siya very SME friendly. We enabled posting jobs over the internet. So, from classified ads to posting jobs on the internet. That is how we were born in the early 2000s. Fast forward to 2014. The world goes mobile first. So we became the first job seeker platform that is in-app, no? In all of Asia Pacific. And we combined the brands JobsDB and JobStreet under Seek, which is our partner company headquartered in Australia. And fast forward to today, we have a lot of tools now that you are going to learn of throughout the day that is propelling us in the time of the AI tech boom. no? So right now, ang laging buzzword, no, I'm sure most of you now are using technology that are related to generative AI, no? So I'm sure most MSMEs also use ChatGPT, Gemini, and all those things that could actually help you propel your business and make your ordinary chores and ordinary tasks easier. So we have a tech stack that is AI powered that will actually help you hire the right talent faster and for free. Okay, so more about us, no? So we are the Philippines' largest active talent pool. So 3 out of 5 job seekers actually use JobStreet, no? So that will enable you to have a high propensity to hire your next talent with us, no? 1 out of 4 job seeker found their job on JobStreet. 25% of those who find jobs actually find it through us, no? And 1 out of 4 job seeker who visit JobStreet first to find their next job. So again, these are some numbers that would help you visualize, no, and how we can help your business. And how do we bring you the most fit job seekers for your business, no? So outside of the millions in investment that we have to bring in active profiles in our platform that you will have access to, we actually have partnerships with the government, with the private sector as well, both public and private sectors, also government and private sector. What we usually do is prepare these job seekers and prepare them to be job worthy, job ready. You know? So we have a lot of activities that talk about this one. So this is a TESDA partnership that we have. Ready, Set, Hired. So we were training TESDA graduates on how to interview properly and how to actually perform better in small organizations as well. So these are some of the things that we are doing. So we also visit schools and talk about how they should be preparing in joining the job market, in joining organizations, whether small enterprise or big enterprise. So that is what we do for our candidates. In addition to that, we go directly where the job seekers are. So kayo, businesses are our partners, no? So kailangan namin ma-provide sa inyo saan ba yung mga candidates o saan yung mga job seeker. So what we usually do is actually have career fairs outside of of course we are a digital and tech platform, but outside of that, we do a lot of offline activities and activations similar to what we are doing today, but on the job seeker side naman, no? So as you can see, we've had a lot of job fairs and career fairs with SM, no? So we've been to Cebu with them. Recently, we've had a big career fair in SMX just this January, which was attended by the President himself. So we do a lot of offline activities, again, to bring in the proper job seeker to every hirer or to every small business that is in our platform. Okay? And these things are actually of no cost to you. No? So we do it for free. We also make sure to always be visible to the job seeker side. No? So visibility is sobrang important. No? So you can see our bus ads, you can see our MRT ads, you can see our lamppost banners in key business districts. So this is about reminding everyone that they can use their jobs app to actually search for jobs and even do other things as well, such as upskilling. We are trusted by over 138,000 enterprises. No? So when I present these job seekers, we say, ito yung mga brands hiring on JobStreet. So of course, the big conglomerates are there. All of our partners here and big conglomerates such as SMPO are all on JobStreet. No? But that doesn't mean na sila lang yung pwede doon. No? JobStreet, para yan sa mga big businesses, big enterprises, we cannot be hiring them kasi small business lang kami. So we also have actually small and medium-sized businesses that are hiring with us. No? And hopefully after today, you will be here too, no? Hiring, and actively looking for candidates as well. Okay? Hiring made SMEC wherever you are. So, SMEC mag-post ng job, SMEC mag-screen, and SMEC makakita ang tamang tao. So, these are the three things that you will be getting if you work. Okay? All your hiring needs in one place. SMEC tools that save you time. Okay? So this is a screenshot, no? Or a sample, no? Kasi a lot of you guys are maybe wondering, no? Small businesses that are due to hiring as well. Ano ba makikita namin sa JobStreet app, no? Or sa website ninyo once we have a JobStreet account, no? So you will see an ad center. Basically, in this ad center, you'll be able to control a lot of things, no? So you have a dashboard. You can create a job ad and actually boost your job ad performance later on, no? So what I encourage everyone to do after today is actually just sign up and explore what you can be doing, no? So, pero ngayon, now that we know about JobStreet, no, we know that we can actually post a job ad for free. Ano ba yung pinaka-important, no? On how are we gonna get the right talent, no? Tamang talent, tamang tao para sa ating negosyo, no? That's very important, no? Kasi again, we have been talking to a lot of MSMEs as well, no? Most of the time, the ones that propel, the ones that are most successful, they always remember their first hire. Kunyari mag-asawa, they were doing everything all by themselves, and nung first hire na nila, doon sila nagsimula mag-scale ng business. Doon sila naka-bazaar na sa SM, 3 stores na sila. No? So, as you scale your business, you will need more talent. No? And to get better talent, you need to learn a few things. No? Unang-una would be candidate insights, no? Or job seeker insights. So, you have to know ano ba ang hinahanap ng job seeker. No? So, depending on your line of business, ano ba hinahanap nila? Gusto ba nila ng flexible work hours? Gusto ba nila ng work from home? Especially if you're going to be hiring the younger generation, no? The Gen Zs, no? You need to know really what they want. And you have access to all of these through JobStreet. Again, all for free. And number two, you need to have a company profile. So, what is a company profile? So, you really need to talk about who you are, what you believe in, your mission, your vision. No? So, a lot of Gen Zs now are actually looking for that. No? Mission, vision. How do you want to express that? No? What does your company believe in? Why are you in operation? So again, similar to us, no? So our mission is actually to help people find fulfilling and meaningful working lives. So you can have something like that and showcase something like that. No? So no company is too small to have a mission and vision. Simula pa lang, no? You can already have that. Number 3 is branding, of course. No? What makes your brand exciting? What makes you wake up in the morning, no? To do your work, no? To do your business. No? So you really need to showcase that. And in our platform, no, you can build your reputation and you can show all of these things. No? So most of these things are again accessible once you have an account on JobStreet. No? So basically, you can show your office, you can show your business, you can talk about your brand. No? Aside from basically showing the jobs that you're hiring for, you can talk about a lot more things. No? And these will be very, very important sa mata ng job seeker o sa mata ng mga candidates na nag-ahanap ng work. Kasi they usually filter their applications depending on what type of company that they are looking at. So we have all of those for you to answer. Okay? So be sure kung sino ang next hire mo will help you figure it out and find them. So we have this set of tools. I won't go through the details, no, but basically what we have are things that you can learn from. No? So data and insights, analytics and market insights. Again, this is all about point number 1 kanina na kailangan mo makilala yung mga job seeker and yung mga candidates. Okay? We have local advisors, so some of them are actually here that you can ask. And exclusive networking events, similar to what you have right now. Okay? I-post ang trabaho mo para makita ng tamang tao. No? So job ads are supported by a lot of AI. So as I mentioned kanina, we are actually an AI job seeker. No? So a lot of the moving parts in our technology is powered by AI. And ang pinaka-visible para sa inyo, mga MSME owners, is AI ad writing. No? So marami kasi sa atin, no, we don't have the liberty of having a big recruitment team, wala tayong recruiter, wala tayong HR that are particularly may technical know-how, ano ba dapat yung job description. So, we have that for you. So, kunyari, kailangan nyo ng marketing associate to talk about your products. You can simply type your description very briefly, and si JobStreet na yung mag-fulfill ng the rest of the job description. And these job descriptions are designed to be very attractive to the candidates that you are looking for. Okay? And of course, once you post your job ad, you will be able to utilize AI targeting and matching. Again, from the 13 million profiles, JobStreet will be recommending sino ba yung pinakabagay dun sa job description na pinost. Lastly, in our set of tools, we also have SeekPass. No? So SeekPass is very, very important, no, to small businesses. So SeekPass is our verification tool. No? So karamihan sa mga nag-hire sa social media, no, marami tayong nami-meet na job seeker na hindi totoo, hindi sumisipot, no, hindi verified yung credentials, hindi verified yung profile. No? So very important to for actually small enterprises, no, small businesses, kasi yung SeekPass will make sure for you na totoo yung taong yun. Totoo yung diploma niya, totoo yung ganito yung napagtrabaho niya dati. No? So, here's a verification process for our candidates where you can utilize that as well. No? Again, keeping you safe as well. No? Kasi ang hiring has its costs. No? Mag-on-board ka ng tao, tuturuan mo, bibigyan mo ng tools, tapos aalis. No? So, we try to lessen that by having the filtering process better. Right? Okay, to get better results, no, we have an access to this suite of features as well. No? So all-in-one hiring tools, which is Ad Center, na pinakita kanina. Strategic advisors, as we have a very, very hands-on and local accounts team that will be working with you. Okay, and of course, we are the PH market leader. We have our unrivaled local service and leading-edge technology. Okay? So again, the all-in-one hiring tool na bagay para sa growing business. Okay? We play this.
How to create a free JobStreet account. Are you a business owner na hirap maghanap ng empleyado para sa negosyo mo? We know the feeling, nakaka-stress talaga. Hi! I'm Leah, and I have good news para sa'yo. Ngayon, mas madali na ang paghanap ng employee for your business. With JobStreet, SME na, SME talaga. SME sa JobStreet. So, paano ba gumawa ng account? Easy lang. Step 1. Just go to ph.employer.seek.com. Register as an employer, type your email address, and create a password. Fill out your business details, pangalan ng negosyo mo, at contact number. Don't worry, lahat ng details mo, safe and secure. Step 2. Check your registered email and look for the subject line, confirm your email. Step 3. Click lang the pink button na may text na confirm my email. Once you click it, you'll get a verification email from our local support team para sigurado legit at secure ang registration mo. And that's it! May account ka na sa JobStreet as an employer. Pwede ka na agad mag-post ng free job ad. Diba? Super dali? SME na? SME talaga. SME sa JobStreet.
So it's really quite simple, no? Few steps, you'll be able to get access to all of the candidates that you're looking for. Okay? So, like I said a while ago, you can post any job ad, any role, anywhere, no? Kahit saan pa yung negosyo nyo. Kahit may branch pa kayo elsewhere, if you're looking for a specific location, most of the time we would probably have candidates there, no? Because again, as I mentioned a while ago, we do a lot of things regionally as well. So whether you're expanding already to the provinces, no, having a small pop-up in that location, you will be able to hire in our platform. Again, these are all for free. No? So one job ad will last you 30 days and you will get applications already.
How to post your first job ad for free. Make hiring your next best employee easy by posting your job ad in JobStreet. Hi, I'm Leah, and I'm back to help you navigate and post your very first job ad sa JobStreet for free. Minsan, mahirap talaga maghanap ng empleyado na makakatulong sa business mo. And we get that. Kaya today, I'll walk you through 7 simple steps para makapag-post ka ng first job ad mo sa JobStreet at libre pa. Step 1. Go to JobStreet Employer. Go to your JobStreet Employer dashboard and log in at ph.employer.seek.com. Step 2. Hover over your dashboard at i-click ang Create a Job Ad button. Step 3. Fill in the important details. Job title, location, workplace option, category, work type, at pay range. Then, click Continue. Step 4. You'll be redirected to the ad type section. Dito, piliin ang live option para makapag-post ng free job ad. Then, click Continue. Step 5. Next, complete your job ad by adding the job description ng role na hinahanap mo. Then, click Continue. Here's a tip para sa'yo. You can also click the Music AI suggestion para tulungan ka gumawa ng effective job ad. Step 6. May option ka rin na magdagdag ng screening questions at filters para siguradong quality applicants ang makukuha mo. And then click Continue. Step 7. Finally, check the preview of your job ad to see how it looks once posted. Live na siya both on desktop and mobile. After that, just wait for applicants to start applying to your business. Good luck! O diba? In just 7 easy steps, nakapag-post ka na ng job ad mo. It's that easy. SM Easy na? SM Easy talaga. SM Easy sa JobStreet.
So with 7 easy steps, no, you get the access to all of the things that we are offering. And again, it's free. So what's next when you're ready to grow more? So maybe down the line, no, you're growing your business, you're competing already for high-level roles, no? You get to access our AI. No? So once you're ready, no, and you're moving from a light ad, no? So light ad basically is our free ad, similar to how you're running social media as well. You're free to boost your ad and to see more high-fit applications. No? Ano ba yung high-fit? No? So basically, with our advanced and premium ads, you will be able to utilize AI-trained millions of fast hiring decisions. No? Again, we've been in the business for more than 20 years, so all those hiring decisions that are similar to you, similar to your line of business, no, whether they're small business or big business, you will be able to get access of. No? So again, this will help you identify high-fit and better-fitting applicants to your company. Okay? So when you're ready to make the best choice, no, once you're scaling your business, no, again, this is further down the line, you're hiring maybe 50 to 100 employees already, no? There will be opportunities for you to upgrade your ad in a basic ad, to an advanced ad, to a premium ad. So now, before we go into that scaling, no, so again, this is a recap of all the features that you can utilize and use for free. No? So, Smart Job Posting, as shown kanina, type lang siya, then click Write with AI, lumabas na lahat ulit. Access to pool of job seekers, there are a lot of branding tools, and of course, what's something that's very important is yung applicants management. No? So if you're using social media, iba-iba yung kailangan nyo tingnan. Facebook Messenger, maybe nag-comment sila sa post nyo. No? So with this, you can streamline everything. Right?